Hey guys, going to do the daily recap real quick. Just going to go on the pre-market gainers. You're going to look at ASNS. I don't think you would have gotten these moves, but if you're up at 4 and you're driving it up like these algos drove it up from yesterday, then I hope you got some of those moves. Otherwise, very quick rise in about 20 minutes. So hopefully you got this. Now you see the downtrend. There is a inverted head and shoulders here. Up, down, a little lower right here, down, and then that's the level. You should start seeing the levels. So let me go ahead and draw that for you real quick. Hopefully you see it. Let me just do it with a polygon real quick. Polyline, sorry. So you basically have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Now we have a lower high, but now we have the a higher low. And then if it crosses here, it should run up. This is a retest, not a good trade. Right down here, now it comes up, forms a shelf, breaks, retest and fails. Same line if you notice. And then it downtrends. Okay, well, it must have taken something else. Let me finish drawing this one right here. I just took a couple trades right here, over here, because they looked like they were doing the right thing for me, what I look for in a trade. Basically, here's another shallow W. Let me show you how patient I am with a trade. So if it goes, it goes. That's the one somebody chose. I don't need them all. Right here, you could have had that target 1 trade, and then when it rebroke here, target 2, I missed this trade and I got in on right here to here, that move right here. And so we'll see, it suspends every 10-20 cents of a share. Something's up. It must be heavily shorted if we looked it up, but all good. It's climbing again, so I think if it can break that area, it probably is going to go bonkers again. So but you'll see how shifty they were. So if you don't get the right timing, it might not be the right stock for you. But if you looked at the stock, hopefully you can start seeing the ups and the downs and the ups and the downs. And 2 things, if it doesn't break this and maybe it's not your type of trade, then don't trade it. Real easy to say. This one was a big one this morning, but did nothing except give shorts a lot of money. This happened in 5 minutes. It tapped out on this and it was a mint short the rest of the day. No news. That's usually a sign there was some news. Somebody else ran it up. I was trading a little bit of this on the way because I'll show you the 1 minute chart, and I'll trade it down. I'll trade a down chart too. I don't care. Let me go ahead and get on the 1 minute real quick and I'll show you. Those are easy. But I'll show you before the open. It was just dying the whole time, except for that one move right there that I see. So you have to be candle worthy to get this one right here. And that's just a VWAP kiss, still downtrending the whole time. Perfect short if you got heavy into that. $3 to $1, that's sick. Very, very, very good money. Right here, NDRA kind of went up and down, no big deal. NVE, that was a good one. It's not looking good now. It's really having a problem breaking that 134. But at the open, clean entry. I did not even see this price earlier. I wish I would have. It would have made a big difference. But I did see this area. So once it kind of broke that area, I got in at 94 and ran a little bit of it. I just took the profit. When you start doing heavier shares, pull back, and then when it busted out of here, I'm actually waiting here for a trade. It goes up, comes down, and re-breaks here. So I got in the entry right here at the 138, and I got another 152. But look, once it goes up, if you're like on a 1 minute chart, you can start seeing this stair step. So I'm going to draw this one. You got to be pretty keen on these, but it's available. So look, it's going down. See, it's testing that same area. Goes. So you could have had this entry. And then it's just really just downtrending. So I hope you weren't really going aggressive on that one. But easy trades. It did bust out of the 134 level earlier today over VWAP right here. I pulled over the side of the road to take this because I do have a VWAP alert at all times. It pops, then you just gotta sit and wait, and it popped down, then broke here. So here's your drawing of your fibs. There should be a target 1. Yep, 2 to the kiss. And at 134 area all day, just banging and banging, even banged here. I took a lot of shares for just a very couple cents because, you know, I'm not playing the game. These other people are playing bigger money. So stay with the open market. If you notice the open market, as long as you play it right, you get some good plays. SITA had some decent ones at the open. You'll see this platform right here. I'll show it to you. 2 targets. That's pretty sweet trade. And let me go to 1 day, ASSN. Yeah, that's the one that's kind of going right now. I mean, you can get in all these trades. You just better have some decent indicators and reading of the stock to get them. Clue even made a big breakout here. If you'd have just been keen on this low volume trade, and then it busts out and almost runs the target 1. So just keep looking. This is probably a bigger stock with a lot of people, bigger shares going out, all that stuff. Yep, because it's a walk me. And then I think we're coming up on after hours. Sorry if it's a little boring today. It wasn't a really big thing except for this one at the open. That was a big one. If you can see these levels, you'll see it bust here. Then you'll see it here at the 94-cent level. That's the same where it went down and busted. So that would be an area of that. And it just had more volume than people at 8:40 a.m. in the morning. So some of those that'll run later, it's just because people are awake, deciding that's the stock that they're going to choose to run up. Part of the game. Hey, y'all have a great day. If y'all need any one-on-one help, please reach out. I'll get you to see what I see. Y'all have a great day. Thank you so much.